do. I'm glowing inside because of you. Who knows what tomorrow brings? My glowing wings can make me fly. I'll reach and I will touch the sky. Because of you, I'll soar up high. So I must thank you for the love. I thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you give to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you.
Good day at Inday. Thank you. Happy birthday day sa imuha. Og nang hinaot nga tagaan ka og mayong panglawas sa Ginoo og taas nga kinabuhi. Regards na lang po ko ni Uncle Masaro og ni Mika. So, ayo mo diha og be safe always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy
Hi. Hi, happy birthday, Lola. Kapon.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Inday! Miss you!
Miss you.
Love you! God bless you! Ingat!
Hi Auntie, happy birthday. Unta makauwi na mo dili, puhon-puhon. Love you, miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nanay Inday. Love you. Ate Mika. Uncle Masaru. Mwah.
Miss you
Miss
all.
you. Good health always.
Mm-mm.
Love, love, love. Mwah.
Take
We
care
love
po
you.
kayo. Ingat kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, Nanay Inday.
Happy birthday na Inday.
Happy birthday, Tia. We love you.
Love you also. Miss you all. Sita Madribale.
See you soon.
Hello, te! Happy birthday, Tinday! Miss you! Mama, love you! Bye!
From Atlantic Ocean, happy birthday, Auntie Inday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Inday. God bless you always. Greetings from Maragusan with love.
Happy 18th birthday, Auntie Inday. See you soon. Ingat ka termo.
Tanjuli o Merito.
Tanjubi o Merito.
Tanjuli o Merito. Merito.
Happy birthday po, Inday.
Happy birthday, La Inday.
God bless you.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tinday! Wish na po ata lang birthday,
Happy birthday, Inday. We miss you. I wish you good health and stay safe always. Miss na namin mag-gabi ni Ramika and Uncle Masaru. Bye-bye.
Hello, Auntie Inday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mami Inday. I miss you.
I hope magsabay tag ulit soon. And I wish you all the best. Sana good health always. Love you.
Hi, Auntie Inday. O Tanjogi, omedetou gozaimasu. We miss you all. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Auntie Inday. Cheers for another 1 year of life. Wishing you all the best and take care. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Day. Naot paghasagan ka maayong panglawas o pang katuigan.
Happy birthday, Auntie Inday!
Hi, Ate Inday. Happy birthday. I miss you. Wish you all the best in life. Regards ko diya kay Ate Mika, ang Masaro, at kita maka-isita mo diri sa Pilipinas para makabanting at sa happy birthday, Ate Inday. Miss you, love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Inday. We love you.
Hoy! Good evening, Ate Inday! Happy birthday! And nag-wish ko na makato ka dito sa Philippines. And happy birthday again!
Happy birthday, Ate Inday! Kian eh. I wish you the happiest birthday, and for the birthdays that we will celebrate in the future.